guys. Welcome to Kids Art and Fun Club. Let's draw with me, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm drawing a spider for you today. I am drawing spider webs first.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Spiders often weave their webs at night.
Dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Spiders can start to weave webs as soon as they are born. Now I am drawing our sweet spider.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
It is possible to encounter spiders in different habitats,
Washed the spider out.
from Everest hills to deep pits of canyons, streams or lakes.
The rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
In short, spiders can be found anywhere.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Now it's time to paint. Yellow, orange, purple, pink, red, green, orange, pink, red, purple, yellow, orange, green, dark purple, blue. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.